Hey guys, so it is our fourth day or third day, I'm not sure already. Right now we're in Wainea Falls, is that how you say it? I recently got into gardening, so it's gonna be fun. Alright, I'll see you guys later, bye. That's so cool.
I know that time does not stand still. Can see the world when it's spinning, spinning, compensating for the moments that I spilled. Wish I could fly like an airplane, airplane. Stop forsaking everything that I've done. Won't be breaking.
Alright, so we're just finishing up the waterfalls. It was really fun. I couldn't obviously bring my camera in there, but right now we're gonna say aloha! Aloha!
Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way, no other way, other way. Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way, no other way, other way.
You guys, I think there's a peacock somewhere here. I'm pretty sure I saw something blue. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. It looks so majestic. Whoa. Kevin! Alright, I'll see you later, Chica. Oh my gosh, you're so close. I didn't know. Whoa, you're so close.